Guys, I'm back with another amazing video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Online Lobby. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Number one in our list is Penzoid. Penzoid.com. You just need to go to Penzoid.com and you can see many templates are available here. You can make 2D, 3D intros, extras, graphics for your videos. You can just go to this site and click on the available template and just edit your text and download the template. This site is for free. You can use it, try it. Number two on our list is Canva. This site might be familiar to many of you. This is the most famous site where you can create many graphics. You can make YouTube thumbnails, blog banner, Instagram post, YouTube icon, YouTube channel art, and other social media graphics. You can use free plan for this site and can make amazing graphics according to your needs. You can also make logo designs using this website. You just need to click on a particular thumbnail which you like and just edit your text and images according to your need and your topic. So go and check this website and try it. Number 3 in our list is Microsoft To Do. If you are a digital marketer, this tool is must use for you to monitor your steps and complete your task on time. Even you can use this tool to monitor your schedule and increase your productivity. You can link your desktop, mobile with the help of this software and keep an eye on your schedule. 4 in our list is OBS. OBS stands for Open Broadcast Software. Now you can record your computer screen with the help of this, and this is an open short software available for all three Windows, Mac and Linux. This is a free software. You just need to configure its settings for first time. You will find the related videos on YouTube for configuring OBS settings and use it. This software is really very amazing and easy to use. You just need to configure its setting for the first time and use it. This is the most used software by every YouTuber to record their screens. Number 5 in our list is TubeBuddy. This TubeBuddy is a tool and it is a Chrome extension. TubeBuddy is specially for YouTube, and if you are a YouTuber, you can use this Chrome extension to see and use tags of your competitor. Just link your account with this Chrome extension and use it for free. Number 6 in our list is Pixlr. Pixlr, this tool is a photo editing app. This is one of the best software to edit your photos. You can use a free plan. Amazing features are available in their free plan. You just go to pixlr.com and check all the available features which this software provides. This tool is important if you are a blogger, a YouTuber, or into digital marketing. As a digital influencer, you need to use this software to edit your annoying images which you use in the form of text or other image graphics. Go and check this software. Number 7 in our list is remove.bg. Just type remove.bg on Google and you will land on this website. This website is just a solution for your every problem. If you want to make a thumbnail and remove annoying background, you can use this tool to remove that annoying background. For example, I will upload an image or a photo. Just remove the background from this photo. Very quick and easy. Now you can see the difference between original and the edited one. Number 8 in our list is Woobox. If you want a giveaway or a quiz or want a poll on your YouTube channel, with the help of this tool, Woobox, you can organize and run a giveaway or a poll or organize a quiz and can provide coupons with the help of this tool. This tool is also free and you don't have to pay anything. You can use this other feature as well. You don't have to purchase a premium plan for this website. You can use a free plan which is available on this website and access all the features which are available in free plan and use it, try it. If you find this software worth it, you can upgrade it to premium version which are available as per and requirement according to your needs. Number 9 in our list is Social Blade. This tool is used to monitor a YouTube channel and see its data and other information in details with all states. You just need to type the YouTube channel and you can see when was the channel published, videos and other information. Number 10 in our list is keywordtool.io. Select YouTube and type make money online. This is a keyword and you can see all the information and stats related to these keywords. With the help of this tool you can generate keywords for YouTube. Now there is a limitation for the free version of this software. You will not be able to see the volume in free version. You can use this tool and see related search result, CPC and other competition level of the keyword you want to use. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.